Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Tonkeeper wallet step by step. If you're interested in getting started with Ton and need a secure place to store your tokens, this guide is perfect for you. So let's get right into it. First, you need to download the Tonkeeper app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Simply head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Tonkeeper, and hit download. You can also find the official links in the description below to avoid any confusion. Once you've installed the app, open it up. You'll see an option to create a new wallet. Tap on it to start the process. Tonkeeper will ask you to create a strong password. This password is crucial, so make sure to choose something that's both secure and memorable. Next, Tonkeeper will generate a recovery phrase for your wallet. This phrase is incredibly important because it's the only way to access your funds if you forget your password or lose your device. Write it down and store it in a safe place. Never share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. After writing down your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to verify it. This step ensures that you've correctly noted down the phrase. Simply input the words in the correct order when prompted. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Tonkeeper wallet. You can now receive, send, and store Ton tokens securely. To receive tokens, tap on the Receive button, copy your wallet address, and share it with the sender. To send tokens, tap on Send, enter the recipient's address and the amount, and confirm the transaction. That's it for this tutorial on creating a Tonkeeper wallet. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto content. All the links you need are in the description below. See you in the next video, and happy trading.